We have been learning about the early humans, about their how they lived in the jungles and the food which they ate, and we also learned how they discovered fire, which was very useful for them. And then we saw how they began to do farming, and it was the biggest achievement of the early humans. And after farming, they began to settle and live in one place and cultivate their own crops. So we have completed with these topics. Today we are going to learn about the settled life of the early humans. So how did man begin to live a settled life? It's because he learned how to produce his own food and to cultivate crops, and thus he could now live in one place and not have to move from place to place in search of food. So farming was the biggest achievement of the early humans, because of which he began to settle down. Now please turn to page 201 and read along with me. Settled life. Early humans settled down at one place. They became farmers and started plowing the field. Thus, early humans developed from food gatherers to food producers. After learning the art of farming, early humans built shelters with bamboo, stones, and skin of animals for themselves. Settled lifestyle led to the rise of villages and community, which resulted in the emergence of a common language as a means of communication. Settled life also gave early humans some free time for entertainment. Dancing, singing, storytelling, and painting on cave walls were the means of entertainment. Early humans used to draw figures of animals or scenes of hunting on the walls of caves. Cave paintings have been discovered in many parts of the world. Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh is an example of prehistoric cave paintings in India. So we read how humans settled down and they began to plow the field and to plant seeds and grow crops. So earlier they were food gatherers. That is, they used to gather food from the forest. But now they are food producers. They can produce their own food by cultivating the land. So after learning the art of farming, they began to build homes out of bamboo, stones, skin of animals. And thus settled life led to the rise of villages, and they began to live as a community or a group. And so to communicate with each other, a language developed. And also they got free time for entertainment, so they had dancing, singing, storytelling, painting on cave walls as a means of entertainment. And what were the paintings on the walls? They would draw figures of animals or scenes of hunting on the walls of caves. In India also, such prehistoric cave paintings have been discovered at Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh. Before they learned the art of farming, man was moving from place to place inside the jungles in search of food, and they lived on the top of trees or in the caves. After farming, they began to settle down in one place. So they started building their own shelters. We see here, this is a shelter of animal skin or animal hide and animal bones. And they began to use animal skin or bamboo. So they made houses with bamboo and stones as well. And they started living as a group and thus became a village. Thus, man began to live in villages as a community, and to communicate with each other, they began to use signs or actions, and slowly they started developing language. And probably they used symbols initially and soon they began to communicate with each other using a language. They also got time for entertainment, and they had lot of creativity which they expressed by uh, making paintings on the cave walls, such as the one shown here. They used to paint the animals or the scenes of hunting, and apart from that they also began to make stories and songs and dance, and they started to entertain themselves. In India, at a place called Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh, there are some examples of this prehistoric cave paintings. Now it's the question and answers time. So let's revise with these question and answers. Before farming, early humans lived in buildings, huts, forests and caves, none of the above. The right answer is forests and caves. Early humans became food producers after they began to do farming, gathering, hunting, or none of the above. So which is the right answer? They became food producers after they began to do farming. That's right. So farming is the right answer. Before farming, they were food gatherers, and after farming, they became food producers. The biggest achievement of early humans was hunting, A, B, fishing, C, farming, D, all of the above. The biggest achievement of early humans was C, farming. After learning the art of farming, they built shelters with A, bamboo, B, stone, C, skin of animals, D, all of the above. So the right answer is D, all of the above. Settled life led to A, common language for communication, B, rise of a community, C, free time for entertainment, D, all of the above. So which is the right answer? The right answer is D, all of the above. Settled life led to a language, development of a language, and also they lived as a community in a village, and they also began to spend time in entertainment. Means of entertainment of early man was A, dancing, B, singing, C, storytelling and painting of cave walls, D, all of the above. So, which is the right answer? The answer is D, all of the above. Next question, are you ready? Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh is an example of glass painting, modern art, or prehistoric cave paintings, or none of the above. So the right answer is C, prehistoric cave paintings. And going to the next question. Prehistoric cave paintings have been found in Bhimbetka in, is it A, Bihar, B, Uttar Pradesh, C, Madhya Pradesh, or D, none of the above? So the right answer is C, Madhya Pradesh. So how many answers did you get right? I think you got all the answers right. Good job.